Hi learners, welcome to our another new session. Hope you all are doing very well and practicing your lessons regularly. So, today we are going to learn the name of 25 electronic machine with their correct spellings and pronunciations. Now, here we go. Please have patience and write slow, learn fast. Number 1. Computer. C O M P U T E R. Computer. Number 2. Speaker. S P E A K E R. Speaker. Number 3. Ceiling fan. C E I L I N G. Ceiling. F A N. Fan. Ceiling fan. Number 4. Refrigerator. R E F R I G E R A T O R. Refrigerator. Number 5. Microwave. M I C R O W A V E. Microwave. Number 6. Washing machine. W A S H I N G. Washing. M A C H I N E. Machine. Washing machine. Number 7. Coffee maker. C O F F E E. Coffee. M A K E R. Maker. Coffee maker. Number 8. Blender. B L E N D E R. Blender. Number 9. Iron. I R O N. Iron. Number 10. Vacuum cleaner. V A C U U M. Vacuum. C L E A N E R. Cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Number 11. Air conditioner. A I R. Air. C O N D I T I O N E R. Conditioner. Air conditioner. Number 12. Hair dryer. H A I R. Hair. D R Y E R. Dryer. Hair dryer. Number 13. Mixer grinder. M I X E R. Mixer. G R I N D E R. Grinder. Mixer grinder. Number 14. DVD player. D V D. DVD. P L A Y E R. Player. DVD player. Number 15. Routers and modems. R O U T E R S. Routers. and MODEMS, modems, routers and modems. Number 16, television. TELEVISION, television. Number 17, electric stove. ELECTRIC, electric. STOVE, stove, electric stove. Number 18, hair straightener. HAIR, hair. STRAIGHTENER, straightener, hair straightener. Number 19, bread maker. BREAD, bread. MAKER, maker, bread maker. Number 20, dishwasher. DISH, dish. WASHER, washer, dishwasher. Number 21, rice cooker. RICE, rice. COOKER, cooker, rice cooker. Number 22, printer. PRINTER, printer. Number 23, scanner. SCANNER, scanner. Number 24, drill machine. DRILL, drill. MACHINE, machine, drill machine. Number 25, juicer. JUICER, juicer. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to learn more. If you are finding my videos helpful, share them with others. Please do subscribe my channel, like my videos, and keep learning. Though today's video is a little bit long, but I'm very sure that it will help you to enhance your knowledge and make your handwriting more beautiful. Bye bye.